So remember, currently in the market, there are two types of aortic valves available. One is annular design balloon expandable, which is like SAPIEN by Edward Life Science, and the Pro Plus and the Evolut FX, these are supra-annular. So that is a major distinction between the two technologies. So that is number one. So obviously the Evolut FX system is a supra-annular system, which has a significant design improvement over the Pro Plus due to, first one is enhanced visualization during deployment, because they have put some radio opaque markers on the valve, 3 millimeter from the bottom. So more radio opaque compared to the Evolut Pro Plus. Then it has a redesigned tip, which is much smoother and atraumatic to have a smooth vascular access. That is number two change. Number three change is that they have redesigned the capsule, which is much smoother and softer to make it better for trackability and get through the vessel. And number four enhancement is that it has a redesigned single spine, which makes it more trackable and more stable when you push the catheter. And they have already added a stability layer. So when you deploy the valve, it doesn't move down or move up. So there are 4 or 5 enhancements they made over Pro Plus, which makes this valve more trackable, easy to insert into the vessel, more stable, and also more predictable when we deploy this valve. So what we found was they sent a survey to 2 groups of physicians. One was group 1. These are the centers with a very high level of Evolut implant experience. And group 2 was those centers who had a broader range of both SAPIEN, the balloon expandable, and also the experience in the Evolut. So these were the, so to speak, they were heavily SAPIEN or balloon expandable centers, but they have some experience with the self-expanding or the Evolut stent. So they wanted to see with this new enhancement in this valve, how those 2 groups do. So they studied the procedural outcome with Evolut FX compared to the Evolut Pro in these 2 groups of physicians. Those 2 groups, there were 285 patients in group 1 and 254 patients in group 2. And group 1 was those centers who had a high level of Evolut implant experience, like our centers. Group 2 was those centers with a broader range of TAVR experience using both balloon expandable and self-expanding. That means both SAPIEN as well as the Evolut platform. So the most interesting was that in a broad group of patients, to the broad group of physicians who are very highly, they're all highly trained. Some were more trained in the Evolut platform, others were in the SAPIEN platform. The performance of this new Evolut FX was very uniform, with the deliverability and trackability was over 83% better than the Evolut Pro. They were able to give a predictable results because of the depth of the deployment in these patients. They were able to more predictable and more symmetrical deployment, and thereby less pacemaker rate, and there was, due to the cusp alignment in this Evolut FX in over 90% of the patients, we hope that there will be a better coronary access in the future. So overall, there was ease of use, better trackability, better commisural alignment, and better depth of this platform. And if you have a better depth, 2 to 3 millimeter, then the pacemaker rate goes down, and it has been shown in many studies. And by the better commisural alignment with this platform, better access to the coronary arteries in the future. And the conclusion was that Evolut FX design improvements translated into documented improvements in catheter deliverability, deployment symmetry, and stability, and documented commisural alignment as assessed by experienced self-expanding and balloon expandable operators. So that was really our overall survey from both group of physicians. I think I would say, remember with the FX platform, supra-annular, we believe it has trials are ongoing, and the follow-up, it has better long-term outcomes. Number 2, pacemaker rate has gone down already. And number 3, there will be better coronary access in the future because of the commisural alignment.